Hi! In this tutorial, I'll show you how to completely uninstall Microsoft Edge and stop it from automatically reinstalling. First, open your browser and search for Revo Uninstaller. You'll also find the link in the description. Close any pop-ups. Go to the download section and choose either the free version or the free trial of the Pro version. I'll use the free trial. Run the setup.exe file. Follow the installation steps. And once it's finished, open Revo Uninstaller. Right-click on Microsoft Edge. Select Uninstall and click OK. Check the box that says Automatically delete all found leftovers. You can uncheck the first two options if you want. Then click Continue. Wait until the Scan button becomes clickable. Press it and let the scan finish. At this point, Microsoft Edge will be completely removed. Now close Revo Uninstaller Pro. Open the Windows app Registry Editor. Navigate to this path. You can copy this path from the description. Right-click on the Microsoft folder and select New > key. Then, rename this new key as EdgeUpdate. Next, right-click on the blank space in the right pane. Choose New > DWORD 32-bit value and rename it with this name. Finally, double-click on it. Change the value data from 0 to 1 and press OK. That's it. You've uninstalled Microsoft Edge and blocked it from reinstalling. If this video was helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe.